Do you think this generation of fake data is going to have a huge impact on the human fabric in general? And then this might become even bigger a problem as compared to maybe the AIDS and the TVs of the world?
As compared to what? Sorry.
AIDS and TVs of the world?
Oh, I see. Yeah,
Because that is
I
the,
yeah,
yeah,
I
that
do
is the
worry.
level at
Yeah,
it's
I do
at
worry.
impact.
I do worry about this. I mean, see, at the first level, you have a proliferation of uh, synthetically generated data on the internet, right? So that's really just the first level.
Yes.
Explicitly synthetically generated data, right? We don't know where the data is feeding into. We don't know what happens to downstream models or even simple analyses, simple analytics, insights that we generate. We don't know how reliable they are because of this profusion of synthetic data that's slowly
Mhm.
flooding the internet. So this is sort of level one phenomenon. Beyond this, uh, the synthetic data is being consumed by humans. Forget about models or downstream models or any of that. Us
Correct.
humans are consuming synthetic data, and that is biasing our mindsets, right? I mean, it's affecting the way we think about things. It's affecting the way we look at the world. So we have, human data that was used to build models that generated synthetic data that looked like that human data, that had a high bias towards that type of human data, and then future generations, in a sense, being indoctrinated within the synthetic data construct and producing more data that looks like that synthetic data, and then models,
Yeah.
it sort of, I think we are getting into a massive echo chamber, which is in a sense ironical, because as we expected diversity, in a sense entropy, to increase as the world becomes more and more globalized. But I think the opposite is happening, that everybody seems to be thinking the same way. Everybody seems to be either agreeing with you or disagreeing with you. You don't have nuances, you don't have so the world is getting very, at the same time, homogenized as well as polarized, right? Because there's very few different opinions.
Yes.
It's and I think I wouldn't blame LLMs for all of this, but I think LLMs certainly do contribute to some of this. So I do worry. I do worry. I don't know what the solution is.